government dentists by supporting the Department of Education Dentist Association Convention.
Being PDAs, the start of all season, with the great body smile, Honorable Governor Vilma Santos Recto.
Of course, ito yata yung, correct me if I'm wrong, ito yata yung sa PDA President, Batangas City Chapter. Dr. At kasama rin po natin ng ating PDA President, Lipa City Chapter, Dr. Mark Villalobos. Sa inyong lahat, ang ating pong PDA Association Executives, magandang umaga po. Ang ating dental colleges, magandang umaga po. And ang ating municipal dentists, kasama rin po natin sila. Sa Philippine Dental Association Southern Tagalog Regional Conference. Thank you so much such as this as part of your professional education program. This will surely keep you updated in the practice of your profession and enhance more your capability to perform your job as health practitioners. This only goes to show how Philippine Dental Health and of course our Batangas City Chapter values its responsibility as healthcare providers and how it regards the welfare of the patients and the community it serves. I was informed that you have initiated a number of projects which benefited our public school community, like free dental clinic, information and education campaign on proper oral hygiene to our preschoolers. Sana ituloy po natin ito, lalong-lalo na sa mga dentista. Again, correct me if I'm wrong. Kung meron dapat pangangalaga sa ipin ay dapat yung formative age. Tama po ba? Tama po ba? So, even with our programs, we concentrate more on our mga preschoolers. But I'm sure if we, the government and the private sectors would continue to join our forces and combine our resources, we would be able to make more children orally fit. Again, if I may reiterate, sa okasyon po ito'y napaka-importante. Ang gusto ko lamang po ipahatid sa inyo, may priority program is health. And parte po ng kalusugan ng tao ay ang pangangalaga po ng kanilang mga ipin. Malaki po ang maitutulong nyo sa aking pong mga programa. So I just hope we can work as a team. Kung meron man po kayong programa na sa tingin nyo yung makakatulong sa amin po sa Batangas pagdating po sa programa ng dental healthcare, please let us coordinate. And at the same time, maibahagi ko rin po ang counterpart ng provincial government. Patuloy po tayong magtulungan para lalo lamang po natin maiangat ang pagbibigay ng serbisyong pangkalusugan sa ating pong mga kababayan. Maraming salamat po sa pag-ibig.